Alright, the air compressor shut off. Got it all down here. This switch is between the electric horns, or the electric horns plus air horns. This switch, power on, power off, is for the compressor. This one is the drain. Drain the tank. Alright, well, it's on. You want to hear this bullshit? Hang on. The neighbors are about to be pissed. I hope that came out as well as I hope it does. There's people gonna be mad at me for that. Hey, coming in, we got the Grant steering wheel, the oversized one. Original gauges in perfect shape. Original gauges. All original. Except for that one. Now that one's original. That's the one, if you want to do this, you have to go and make it fit, and you're going to have to fight with it. But this is the air brake gauge out of a Chevy C60. It's what you need. See, it's pumping up. Now the max of my air system is 150. This stops at 150. See, people don't have that. That one down there is always blank. Now, I've got this. I got this cover to protect the dash. Look at the dash. It's not cracked at all. Look at the dash. It's not cracked. Got this, damn, I can't remember the carpet company, but this is Firethorn Red. And if you want to dye everything the same, SEM brand is the shit, and this is Firethorn Red from them. Compared to that, Firethorn Red carpet. You can see right there, Firethorn carpet, Firethorn paint from SEM. Now all I have to say is, that is an original door panel to go with the dash. I painted that with SEM, god dang, 13, 14 years ago, back in 2007. And it's still perfect. Now, that being said, these are the window cranks y'all need to buy for these damn trucks, because the plastic ones that are cracked and came on it, the aftermarket ones are shitty and strip quick. Oh, let's see. This is the SEM paint. This is 12 years of use, which is totally acceptable. That's the original red underneath. That being said, these are my seats, my captain's chairs out of a 91 Suburban. Got out of the junkyard. I got that, and I got this with it, and I got the other one.